Hi, I'm Christy Marie. I've put together a short course on 20 things that everybody should absolutely know before investing in a home security system. Next is a free clip. So you want to know if home security systems like alarms are effective. Of course they are. If a burglar sees a house with an alarm box on it, working or not, and one without, which one are they going to choose? If it was you, which one would you choose? Not only do they act as a deterrent, but they alert neighbours or any passers-by in the event of an intruder. You need an alarm box. Head over to www.securehomehq.com for unbiased reviews to find the best product for you. So if you enjoyed this clip, please head over to www.securehomehq.com/videos, where you can download the other 19 videos in this series completely free. You need to be doing this, you need to be doing it today.